Hey guys, this is Riley here again with Learn With Me, and I'm here to kind of show you guys how I kind of gather all my food scraps and stuff over the week, and how I plan to like keep them as opposed to letting them smell up in my house or leaving them exposed to like little animals and different things like that. So stay tuned. As you've seen from recent compost updates, you'll see that I have these ice cream containers, and they get pretty icky on the inside, but these are gonna be like the easy way, like long story short way, to tell you that how I keep up with my compost. Because as long as you keep them in a sealed container, you should be good to go. The thing I like about these is that they're not as transparent, so you don't have to see all the ickiness. Like sometimes when I get done doing compost, I will go ahead and put these in like plastic bags and stuff like that, just so that they don't smell up or anything. And then sometimes I'll even take them outside in plastic bags, because this time of year that's pretty great to do, because it's just the heat isn't building up and it's not great, like making the smell like take over more. So yeah, that's really one of the best ways that I see using your ice cream tubs. Like your old ice cream tubs for, is just using them for compost. And you know, why not get more ice cream? Because with my idea, you get to eat more ice cream. Another thing I like to do involves old juice bottles and stuff like that, old vinegar bottles. Like I said in some of my videos, I like to use these things as ways to kind of keep my plants warm and as easy ways to water my plants. But it does also help just being able to like recycle another object and be able to repurpose it in the garden. I know in the garden in multiple different areas, like right here, it just kind of seems like it's just kind of sitting there and stuff like that, but there's going to be a plan for everything, I promise you that. But yeah, you guys, like back to the ice cream tubs, and each week I try to put vinegar in them. You can clean them out in all honesty, but like it's getting food put back in there, and I don't want to damage any of the organisms that are going to go into my compost. As you can see, that's how I'm covering my compost, to kind of keep things out of it, but and also covering like with leaves and stuff. But this is like, since I have 4 of these, this at least will last me 2 to 3 weeks if I'm just continuously adding scraps to it. And by the time the spring comes, oh, that's going to be so much good compost. Like you guys have seen the updates, and you guys have see that the proof is in the pudding, or in the ice cream, so to speak. But yeah, you guys, like, subscribe, support the channel in any way you can. Share it, share the videos. If you guys have any suggestions or recommendations, please let me know. Otherwise, I will see you guys in a new video. Like I said, I'm here for you, so if you guys have any questions, recommendations, or if you even have suggestions, let's all make the world a better place and grow together. So let's hold each other accountable, and let's raise each other up and teach each other. Have an awesome day and stay breezy.